Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to build a simple and beginner-friendly lead generation workflow using N8N. I'll show you how to use Google Sheets with the credentials we set up earlier to automatically store your leads. This workflow will help you collect leads based on a search keyword and location. We'll fetch up to 20 results per search, clean duplicates with a small JS code node, and then append the clean data into Google Sheets all in just a few steps. Here's what we'll do in this workflow. First, enter a search keyword and location. Then fetch places from Google using RapidAPI. Next, clean and filter results in a code node. And finally, append each row to your Google Sheet. This one's perfect for beginners, a quick and practical automation example. So let's walk through it together. Alright. Open your N8N dashboard and click Create New Workflow. Give it a name, Simple Lead Generation. Now we'll add a node where users can enter both the search keyword and the place name. For this, we'll use the form submission trigger node instead of the manual trigger. Once you add it, a pop-up will appear. First, rename the node to enter lead details. Now let's set up our form. In form title, type Find Business Leads. You can change it based on your needs. For form description, write type a place and keyword and we'll fetch leads for you. You can modify both fields however you want. Now we add two form elements, location and keyword. Now customize the form button, go to Options, select Button Label, and change the button text to Find Leads. To change the button color, add custom form styling, and set the background color to black. This will give your form a clean, professional look. Once everything's ready, click Execute step. The form will open in a new window. Now enter your values, for example, location Bangalore, keyword boys PG. If everything is configured correctly, the node will run successfully and pass the data to the next node in your workflow. Next, let's fetch our leads from Google Maps via RapidAPI. Add an HTTP request node for this. We're not using Apify or So go to rapidapi.com, sign up or log in. We're using RapidAPI because it provides a simple, centralized API hub. You can connect to hundreds of APIs, including Google Maps Scraper, using just one account and one API key. It's fast to integrate inside N8N, requires no external browser automation, and works well for lightweight lead generation tasks. And in the search bar, type Google Maps Scraper. From the list, select the second result, Google Maps Scraper by owner. You'll see three endpoints available: Get Place Details, Search Places, and Autocomplete Search. We'll use the Search Places endpoint. Click on it and copy the curl request. That's the easiest way to set it up in N8N. Now go back to your HTTP node. Click Import curl, paste the copied command. Everything will be auto-filled for you. Now click Execute step. It may take a few seconds, and boom, the results appear. Once we get the results, let's clean and format the data. Add a code node. If you found any have function node, then it's concide as code node. This script, which I generated using ChatGPT, removes duplicates and formats results neatly. It filters the leads using name plus phone number to remove duplicates and returns only clean fields like ID, name, phone, address, rating, and reviews. Now run this node and you'll see a nicely formatted JSON output ready for export. Next, we'll append this data into our Google Sheet. Add a Google Sheets node, select Operation Append Row, and choose your saved Google credentials. We already set those up in a previous video, so check our playlist if you missed it. Now select your sheet here. I'm using one called Simple Lead Generation, and then choose the correct sheet tab. Keep the mapping mode set to column mode, and map each field like name, phone number, website, rating, reviews, address. Finally, click Execute step, and that's it. Your workflow runs successfully and appends the new leads directly into your Google Sheet. Now open your sheet. You'll see all the data added automatically. And that's it. You've built a complete, working lead generation workflow that collects leads, cleans duplicates, stores data automatically in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos, where we'll add email notifications, Slack alerts, and more smart automations. See you in the next lead generation video.